Would it be great if you can get some help finding your new dream home? Now you do, and I will show you a new gadget that will help you do that. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Marlon Famorca, and I'm a realtor for Keller Williams here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And today I'm hosting an open house here in Denton, Texas, in the Robson Ranch subdivision. And look what I brought with me. Just in time for the Christmas shopping season is the Amazon Echo or the Amazon Alexa, the real estate edition. That's right, the real estate edition. Now, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna pause this video, go to Google and search for this device. Well, the thing is, this is the limited edition. So instead of me telling you all about this beautiful house, I'm gonna let Alexa do it for me. So let's go to the kitchen and fire this thing up and ask a few questions. Come on, let's go. Alexa, can you tell me more about this house?
This house is located at 9521 Rivercrest Drive in Denton, Texas at the Robson Ranch subdivision. It is a one-story built in 2007. It is a 1,880 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, 2-car garage.
Alexa, how much are the HOA dues?
HOA is $1,420 semi-annual.
Alexa, how much is this house?
It is priced at $315,000. Would you like to place an offer?
Yes, I do.
To place an offer, you need to call Marlon Famorca. His phone number is 940-597-6367.
Now that's pretty cool, isn't it? What Alexa is doing is just barely scratching the surface. She can actually do a lot more. And she can actually get moody as well. Yep. So stay tuned. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. But for now, have a blessed day. Wait. Let's ask Alexa one more question. Alexa, who is hosting an open house for this listing today?
Marlon Famorca from Keller Williams is doing an open house here today.